Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I have for you an unboxing for the March 2020 Club La La Land Crafts Club kit, and this one has got such an adorable theme. I know you guys have already seen the unboxing from Irina, the owner of the company, and but we do our own unboxings for you and then show you our projects that we made using this kit. We get our kits early, so everything that's in here we've already seen, played with, colored, created your projects. You know that you have your stuff that's available in the Dropbox for you as subscribers, so you can go there when you get your kits and you've got lots and lots of inspiration. Plus at the end of this unboxing I will have a I will do a card for you with the stuff that's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I know it's resealed itself even though I've been in here 100 times because I've already done all this ahead of time, but just to make it an unboxing, we're going to actually do it the right way. So here we have our stamps. These are your red rubber stamps. They're absolutely perfect quality. They stamp out gorgeous, super easy to use, and very easy to store because, as you know, they fit perfectly right on here. You just take your backs off, you stick them to it, and then you can put it back inside of your plastic and store it that way. Throw your dies in the back and you've got your whole club kit all together. Super, super easy. This month we have Ice Cream Marci, and this is called What's the Scoop, and they are absolutely fabulous. I think this is probably, I say this a lot, but I think this is one of my favorite kits, and the reason why is these adorable little unicorns. They are so stinking cute, and they're very fun to color. Also, Marci is very fun to color this month. Not that she's never fun to color, because she's always fun to color, but in this one, she has got some gorgeous hair, and if you are looking to practice your marker skills on hair or your pencil skills on hair, this month's Marci is perfect for that. So let me go ahead and show you them all colored up and done, because I have done 2 sets of each of these and I've already colored them all up. So here we have Marci with ice cream, or Ice Cream Marci, sorry, and look at how adorable she is. Look at that hair. Is that just not the funnest thing ever? So I actually colored her hair multiple times before I finally got it to where I thought, I like it this way. And it was so fun to do. So I did a lot of like little strands throughout in darker colors, so that I did the wave all the way down so that it kind of accents her hair. And I think it came out really cute. The first couple of times was a complete disaster because I'm not used to doing wavy hair, but the more you practice, the better it looks. So let me just tell you that. I probably colored her hair, I don't know, I think if I went and got them out, there's probably like 5 different versions of her. But super cute, huh? Isn't she just absolutely adorable? So here's her. And then we've got our little unicorns, which are absolutely adorable. So we've got one holding an ice cream cone. We've got one that's just kind of chilling and hanging out. And then we've got one with sundae. So aren't they adorable? I think they're my favorite. They're absolutely my favorite. I love them. Love, 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 love. And now I'm going to go through your dies and show you the dies. Oh wait, let me show you the, so I printed out a couple of different sizes, so there aren't this many in there. As you can see, they're doubles because I wanted different sizes of them. So you've got Ice Cream is always a good idea. You deserve a treat. You make life sweet. What's the scoop? And Pretty Please with sprinkles on top. Those are your sentiments that come with both Marci and the little unicorns here. And I actually did cut out, I have a couple of these for my next project. As you can see, they match the colors of Marci and the little unicorns here. But that's what the You Are Sweet looks like. So you can you pop out the middle here. This little middle piece comes out, and you can change up the inner with a different color if you want. So like you could take the blue from here and put it, which is what I'm going to do, and put it in here. So there's that. Now your dies. These are so fun. So, so fun. Let me take them all out. So here's the You Are Sweet. Here's that one. Then you got ice cream cone with all the details in here. Super cute. Super cute. You've got your little cherry. We have your ice cream scoop. Think of all the different flavors you can cut out with that. You got a cookie here with the sprinkles on top. You also have, just to let you know here, sprinkles. So you can cut these out in all kinds of different colors and paste them on top of your cookie or sprinkle them on top of your ice cream. Super adorable. Little spoon, because you have a bowl for your ice creams, for your banana split, because here's your banana and a bowl. Aren't they adorable? Super, super, super cute. So I'm going to show you now. I did 2 projects with these so far, and I have plans obviously for this one. And I'm going to show you something really cool. So color palette, for me, I am like horrible at picking out colors for stuff, so I rely heavily on my paper. So if I'm using a specific paper pack for an image that I'm using or something when I'm designing a card, I rely heavily on the colors inside that paper pack. So for both of these projects, this one with the reds, well, it's not really a blue, it's, I don't even, turquoise, how's that? The red and turquoise color scheme here, and then let me show you these over here. So this one, we have Ice Cream Marci, and this is your subscriber project. So in the Dropbox will be the little directions on how to make this, but we've got the sprinkles inside, we've got the ice cream cones in there to decorate inside. There's a little cookie here with all the sprinkles, see that? See that? Isn't that adorable? And see, here is where I did the different inside. So see your color scheme here with your pinks and your peaches, and then oh, sorry, I'll drop it. On the inside, I've got the horizontal pocket with a little place to put a gift card. So this is a really cute one to give for like a birthday or just whatever occasion that you want to give. Maybe you could put like a little Baskin Robbins in there or something super, super, super cute. So there's that one. And then here's the one that I did with the What's the Scoop stamp set. So we've got our banana split, see all the sprinkles everywhere. I've got the cherry on top, I've got the spoon here, and then on the inside I've got the other one with the ice cream cone and the You Are Sweet on the inside. Ice cream is always a good idea. And this one I will have right after the video, so the unboxing, so if you stay tuned, this project will be right after this if you want to see how I put this one together. So fun little fact here, if you have not gotten any of the paper packs from La La Land, both of these, see, look at this, almost like a 4th of July theme. Here we have an adorable spring colored theme. You know what paper this came from? Little Merry Christmas. Little Merry Christmas. Irina is a genius when it comes to these paper packs. She puts together papers that will go all year long. So just because it says Little Merry Christmas on it does not mean that it is only for Christmas. You can use every single one of Irina's paper packs in the La La Land store for any season. There's always options on here that are not specifically for a holiday that can be used for any season. So I personally obviously have every single pack of these, and whenever I start to run low, I order more because these papers work all year long. So I just thought that was a fun little fact to throw out to you about the paper packs, because you probably wouldn't realize that I used a Christmas themed paper pack to do both of these little sets here. So anyway, stay tuned if you want to see how to make What's the Scoop, this little long and skinny card. And like I said, this one is in the Dropbox, so if you are a subscriber, this one is available to you with instructions along with all the rest of the design team. We all have projects in there for you. And yeah, so stay tuned, and if you aren't wanting to stay tuned for that, I thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I would love for you to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thumbs up the video for me, that'd be awesome. Leave me comments. Love, love, love to hear from you guys. I love to talk to you, and I will see you again real, real soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye. All right, let's get started making a card. So we've got my You Are Sweet. I've cut it out twice, once from the pink and once from the turquoisey color. Actually, it's kind of like a minty color. And these papers are from the Little Merry Christmas paper pack. And these are the ones that I chose for the background of my card. So I've got a white card base, which is 3.5 by 7. The black panel, which is slightly smaller than the card base. And then the pink panel, I want to say, is 3.25 by 6.75. So I'm just going to stack those up on my card base. Just make a nice little sandwich here. Once I get those all placed on, I have 2 of the papers from the paper pack. You can see which ones I'm using here. And I've used the scalloped rectangle dies to cut them out. Now the pink one that was on the top was kind of getting lost in the pattern paper, so I backed it with some black cardstock. I have the small doily here, and I use, again, the paper, and I'm making kind of like a little, I don't know, like a little placemat, I guess, for my ice cream bowl. I just thought it looked cute. So once I get that attached, I've cut out my bowl of ice cream from some craft paper. And for each one of the little die cuts that I have here, I took some distress inks in kind of like similar colors, and I just distressed the edges just to kind of make them pop just a little bit. So now I'm going to take all of the ice cream scoops, and I did a chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. and I popped them up. I'm going to pop up the cookie, which I added sprinkles to. And I cut out the sprinkles from the same paper pack, so just from like little scraps of it, so I have all those same colors. The spoon I cut out from some mirrored silver cardstock. And then I took a little break and went and cut out a whole bunch more sprinkles because I wanted them all over the ice cream. So that's what happened there. And now I'm just popping up all of my little characters here. This is super easy card. It's just layering, a whole lot of layering. On the inside, I'm going to take the You Are Sweet and I'm going to pop out all the letters, and then I'm going to inlay the mint green one on the inside. And now I'm just going to place down my last little unicorn guy, the one with the ice cream cone. So cute. And place him inside. So now you have your little scene on the outside. Open it up, You Are Sweet, and you've got your little guy with the ice cream cone on the inside. So here is a close-up of the two cards that I made using this kit. Like I said, this next one here is in the Dropbox, so the instructions for this one will be there for you. Nice little shaker card with a gift card pocket on the inside. And then I've got a few close-up photos for you. I'm really sorry about the lighting for the first part of the unboxing. I'm trying out some new stuff, and I think I'm going to go back to the way I used to do it. But I just wanted to give it a try, and I didn't have time to redo it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this project. I hope you guys love this kit as much as we do, and I will see you again real soon with some more projects. Have a great day. Bye-bye.